Hello everyone, we are doing a hair tutorial today. This is a requested look and this person wanted me to replicate the way that my hairstylist fixed my hair in my last salon visit that I filmed this last summer. So it is much more of a fuller bang look in the front, a little flatter on top. So we're gonna see if we can do that. All right, okay, so I'm gonna start off with a couple of products. I'm going to use a little bit of the Supernova Blonde Violet Moisture and Shine Cream from Amika. This just kind of helps add a little bit of tone, kind of keeping my blonde nice and cool, my blonde highlights. So I'm just working most of that through this front section. I don't have tons of highlights obviously back here, but this front part is where I really like to keep that nice and toned. And then I am going to add just a tiny bit of the Catwalk Root Boost just here. This is a pretty flat look in the front, so I'm not going to add any there, but I always need a little extra lift in my cowlick zone. And then final step for me, because I need to just keep moisture and shine in my hair, I'm going to use the argan oil. This is one from 100% Pure, but I also like the one from a Cura. So just gonna work that through quickly here. All right, now it's time to blow dry. Okay, so this is what we have. I think we did pretty good. My stylist usually does not use the flat iron, so I'm gonna try really hard not to use the flat iron. She does, however, use my favorite Enjoy Dry Wax. So I'm going to just put about that much. So it's not a ton, but I do have pretty thick hair. You do wanna make sure with this product you don't apply too much, because it can make it a little hard to get out of your hair if you do too much. But all right, I'm gonna start in the back here and then just kind of go every which way. I'm gonna comb it over to the side it's not meant to go on first, and then kind of sweep it back over, work the product down, and I'm just really scrubbing my fingers, kind of like raking them through my hair here. And then just sweeping these bangs over. I'm going to just kind of work it through the back. I just go back and forth. This part doesn't have to be precisely spiked or laying down all flat. I just kind of like the in-between personally. And I think that's pretty close. All right. Now I do want to, now you can see I have very long bangs. So this is why I can't wear all the bangs just front, like laying flat. So I do need to kind of pull them, sweep them over. So I'm going to use my finger to do that. Okay, and then I'm going to just kind of pull this back section over. I am going to try and keep as much of these bangs forward as I can. You can see how long they are, so I kind of have to keep them out of my eyes. All right, and then I am going to use a little bit of hairspray. She never does, but I'm going to add a little hairspray just because I don't want it to continue to move all through the day. And here in the front, I am going to just kind of spray it and then just kind of pull my finger under those bangs just to kind of help them stay over that direction a little bit better. A little spray in the back or on the sides. All right, so I put in some earrings and now here's our finished look. So what do you think? Did I successfully replicate the look? I think I did pretty well. The bangs are quite long, so I don't really feel like I could, bring them any more far forward. Otherwise, I would be looking through my bangs and that just drives me crazy. But if you have slightly shorter bangs, you could easily do this and they would stay out of your eyes. But I thought this was super easy because I didn't have to bring in the flat iron, just kind of a slight little bit of change up. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you're not already a subscriber, please make sure you hit that button below and I'll see you next time. Bye.